Hey, Shauna, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about Proscape landscape management. But before we get into that, just want to say a little bit about myself. I love what I do. I enjoy watching small businesses grow. So with that, let's get started. So I do like the layout of your site. It looks pretty good. I like the drop down, how it comes down here, commercial, residential. I like your logo. It looks really nice. As far as content goes, you could use a little bit more. And Uh, Google likes a lot of content. They prefer about 1,500 words to 2,000. So, but before we get into that, the content, I just want to point out one thing. Your site is not secure, and it is ranked on the third page of Google. So with that, let's get to content. So now that second, there it is. Sorry about that. So now let's get into the content. Now let's see how much content that your site has. Okay. Okay. You got about 337 words. Now your competitor, let's see what they got. And your competitor is on the front page of Google, and they are Cassidy Landscaping. Cassidy Landscaping. All right. So let's see their content. See what they got. You got 337, 259. So you're beating them in content. So basically, in a nutshell, that's basically what content is. Google loves 1,500 words. Any more, it looks too spammy. Any less, and you have a hard time ranking. So um, with that, let's move forward to the next thing. Second thing I want to talk about is keywords and your backlinks and whatnot. So we have this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I can put any site into here. So let's go ahead and put your site. All right, let's see. All right, so you got 77 referring domains, 138 organic keywords. Okay, so you put it's pretty strong. It's not as trusted with 165 backlinks. So this is pretty much this is where you guys are standing right now. Now let's take a quick look at your competitor. Okay, 138 organics. They got 52 organics, but they're still ranking up there. Look how strong they are. Traffic organic is 100. You got 94. So, I mean, wow, like they got let's see, 42 referring. But the thing about this right here is they have 52 organics. You have 138 organics. Now, the difference is they are ranking up there because they are ranking more organically. So they got a lot more organic backlinks and everything else tied to their site. So with that, that's pretty much about backlinks because they're not all created equal. So with that, let's move on to the third thing. The third thing I want to talk about is pretty much your Google business profile. And what that basically is also what it helps you. What we just talked about, what we just talked about, I'll explain real quick. We just talked about down here about ranking in organics. As you can see, they are on the first page of Google. And now, as far as Google Business Profile, it lands you up here, and it looks like you're ranked up here on the third. Nice. So yeah, you are ranked up here on third, and the reason for that is probably because you have 18 Google reviews, you saved all this properly, and it looks like you need no help doing GMP, uh, excuse me, Google your business profile. So, I mean, as far as that goes, you're doing pretty well for yourself up here. Um, these guys are not Cassidy, so Cassidy's probably more down in the drop down part of things. So, um, but yeah, in a nutshell, I mean, this is basically what I do. Um, so I hope you like this. This is all I got for you. I hope you like all the information that I sent you today. If you'd like someone to take a look at this, feel free to give me a call. My name's Joshua Gutierrez. You can reach me at 505 331 7995. Again, that's 505 331 7995. Or you could email me at Scenic Spark SEO. That is Scenic Spark SEO. Thank you so much for your time. This is a free video, so you could do with it what you want. So with that, have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.